Hello, I'm Ant Joblin, and these are the top stories for the week ending the 3rd of December 2021. Global furniture giant IKEA has revealed it has been hit by a cyber attack, with evidence indicating its Microsoft Exchange servers have been compromised. IKEA said that a full-scale investigation into the incident is underway, although there is no indication that customer data has been compromised. IKEA employees have been targeted by malicious emails that are appearing as genuine replies to existing email chains. Although no groups have yet claimed responsibility, this type of attack has been tied to a recent squirrel waffle campaign that exploits an unpatched vulnerability in Microsoft Exchange servers to distribute the Qbot malware. The UK's Competition and Markets Authority has ordered Meta to sell animated image database Giphy following a 10-month-long investigation into the acquisition. Meta, previously known as Facebook, purchased Giphy in May 2020 for an estimated $400 million, only to then immediately face questions about its potential effect on the display advertising market. The CMA concluded on Tuesday that Meta would likely use Giphy to increase its already dominant status in the social media market, which accounts for 73% of user time spent on social media in the UK. Twitter CEO and co-founder Jack Dorsey has announced he will resign from the social media firm. His replacement, Parag Agrawal, joined Twitter in 2011 and has been the company's chief technology officer since October 2017. In a resignation letter posted to Twitter, Dorsey said that he wanted the company to move beyond the influence of its founders, adding that he was choosing his company over his own ego. Twitter's stock price jumped 10% earlier on Monday following reports of Dorsey's resignation. That's it for this week's News in Review, but join us next time for more news from the world of IT.